Hi, I attended this webinar with Zolve very recently. There they were talking about some visa best practices, and after the webinar, they sent over this folder that I wanted to share with you all. I'm really excited for you all to go over this, so let's unbox it. So the first thing that they've shared in the folder is this document tag. So it's essentially the entire list of documents that you need for your visa interview. They've covered your fee receipt, I-20, tax returns, essentially the entire gamut of documents that you carry with you on the day of your interview is captured here, and you can use these tags to mark those in your folder. So you know on your interview day where these documents are and it's easy for you to access them. Let's see what else is in it. They've also sent this visa survival kit, and it says your quest starts here. Let's open it up. The first thing I landed upon is this gigantic poster, and when I open it, it's a visa to take off planner, which is essentially like a checklist of everything that you need for you to touch foot in the US. So your accommodation, your travel insurance, flight tickets, they try to put all of that together in a list for you so that you don't miss the bus on anything. Outside of that, the visa kit also has like a dollar bill, and essentially the dollar bill talks about Zolve's scholarship, which is a $50,000 scholarship, and they've shared all the details at the back of the bill, and you can go over this with the QR code to apply to the scholarship. They've also sent something called the visa interview flashcards. So essentially, they've put together an entire list of questions that you would need for your visa interview. And when I went over these questions, I realized it covers the entire gamut. Like they have whether you have relatives in the US, what's your purpose to travel. So essentially, anything that you could potentially be asked on your interview, they've tried to cover for you. And not just that, they've tried to give you sample answers and tips from there and for you to ace the interview. Beyond the items in the folder itself is very useful because, as you might know, the consulate mandates for you to carry a transparent folder with you. And this is exactly that. So you can take this with you on the day of your folder, put all your documents in this, and you're sorted. So I would highly recommend getting your hands on it ASAP.